Today I'm making a painting featuring a positive 4-letter word. The first thing I'm going to do is fold my piece of paper in half, and then I'm going to fold that in half. And this is because I want 4 equal sections in which to write each of my letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to make the word kind. It's a nice positive 4-letter word. I am drawing nice big bold letters. I know you can't see them very well because I'm using a pencil. I am making sure to sketch them kind of lightly. Now I've got all my letters written in the 4 spaces, and it's time to add some paint. I'm going to think about cool colors and warm colors to make my letters really stand out. So for my first letter, the K, I'm painting the letter itself with only the cool colors. And then I'm going to do the background with only the warm colors. This shows contrast in my artwork. It makes the letter really pop out from the background. I'm trying this stippling technique for my first letter where I'm just kind of dotting the paint on, dabbing it on. I'm thinking about the artwork of Jasper Johns and Robert Indiana while I'm doing this artwork, because they both made big, bold paintings that featured letters a lot of the time. For my next letter, I filled in the I with only warm colors, and then I'm doing the background in only cool colors, and I'm doing kind of a blending technique for this letter. So you guys can try different ways to paint with each of your letters. You don't have to stick to the same style. If you want to, that's great. But I'm kind of trying out some different styles with each letter. With the N, I'm doing the same thing that I did with the I, warm colors in the N, in the letter itself, cool colors in the background. And again, just trying out fun ways to put paint on my paper. Blending the colors, yet always making sure to wash my brush off in the water and dry it on the cloth before I pick a new color. And then for my D, I will paint the letter with cool colors and the background with warm colors. Again, using cool colors and warm colors together creates contrast, and it makes these letters really pop out. Now my painting is done and it's ready to go in the drying rack. Once my painting is dry, I'm going to add one more finishing touch. I'm going to use a black oil pastel to outline each of my letters. This is just going to make them stand out even more, so we can really read these positive messages that you're all making. When I'm done outlining with the black oil pastel, I'm going to use a white oil pastel, and I'm just going to add these little shine marks here on each letter. It kind of makes them look 3D, and once again, makes them pop out off the page. And now I have a colorful, bold, positive word work of art.